What's going on YouTube? It's Sean here and I'm back today with another unboxing video for you guys. So I came home from work today and waiting for me was this big box from Vans Canada. So let me open up this box and we'll jump straight into it. For those of you who don't know me that well, aside from being obsessed with sneakers, I'm also a pretty big comic book geek. So when Vans and Marvel announced their partnership, I knew this was going to be pretty bad for my wallet. So I did have self-control and I didn't buy everything. So first off, we have this long sleeve tee. It has this Vans logo on the front, and then on the sleeve it has the heads of different Marvel characters. So we have here Captain America, Black Widow, Iron Man, Hulk, Thor, and Black Panther. So you know what? I'm gonna change out of this and into this, and we'll continue on in a sec. So aside from this shirt, I also picked up 3 pairs of shoes. So the first one is this one. So this is a pair of Vans Authentics. And I think the nickname of this is called Heads or something like that, because as you can see, the entire upper is covered in the faces of different superheroes. Identical to the heroes found on the sleeve of my shirt, these guys are also found on the shoe. One good thing about Vans is they are very cheaply priced. So these ones retailed for $65 US or $80 here in Canada. Next up, I picked up another pair of Authentics. This time though, this one is a women's colorway. Fortunately on Vans.ca, they had the ever elusive size 11.5 women's. These ones, similar to the other ones, also retailed for $65 US or $80 Canadian, and I believe the nickname of this one is called Heroines because the canvas upper features different Marvel female superheroes. So we have here Black Widow, we have Spider-Woman, we have Wasp, we have, who else is here? Medusa, and I think She-Hulk maybe, but there's a whole bunch of different characters on this that makes this a very, very nice looking print. Last but not least, I picked up these skate highs in the Captain Marvel colorway. Once again, this one was a women's colorway. It seems like the women's got the better designs this time. And once again on Vans.ca, I was fortunate enough to be able to get the size 11.5 women's. So these skate highs are probably my favorite of the entire collection. This basically just looks identical to Captain Marvel's uniform, and they were able to put that directly onto these skate highs. This red, navy, and gold combination just really pops. If you guys are interested in this one, these ones retailed for I believe $75 US or 100 Canadian dollars. So for all 3 pairs, I got them in a size 10 men's, and I'd say that they run somewhere between true to size or going a half size down. So depending on the shape of your feet, if you have narrow feet, then you can probably go half size down, but if you have wider feet, then I'd recommend just sticking with your true size. So now let me lace up all 3 pairs of the shoes, and I'll show you guys how they look on feet. So all in all, not too bad. 3 pairs of shoes and 1 shirt. It could have been really bad if I didn't exercise any self-control. So let me know in the comments down below which of these 3 you guys are feeling the most, and if you guys ended up picking up anything from the Vans Marvel collection. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me that follow on Instagram as well at esco8, and be sure to check out my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in my next review.